Imagine spending $4,713,600 on a brand new, strictly limited automobile. You'd probably expect a premium interior, soft leather trim, a refined climate system, and high-end acoustics. But the Bugatti Bolide offers something fundamentally different. No leather, no audio system, no thick carpets, just exposed carbon fiber, the raw roar of a working W16, and a steering wheel inspired by racing prototypes. Today, we break down exactly what is inside this $4.7 million track car and why every engineering decision is driven by one goal: maximum speed on the circuit. When you open the dihedral doors of the Bugatti Bolide, it becomes immediately clear. This is not a car for daily driving. To get inside, you have to step over a substantial carbon fiber crash structure. The seats are not the familiar power-adjustable thrones you find in a Bugatti Chiron. Bugatti offers 4 seating size options, including a package tailored to the exact body dimensions of the owner. Available materials include suede, nappa, and alcantara, with options ranging from dynamic quilting to fine laser perforations. However, the seat itself is fixed as a structural element of the chassis rather than adjusted by an electric motor. Because the seat doesn't move, the Bolide uses a fundamentally different seating position. The driver reclines rearward, with heels sitting slightly raised above hip level, mirroring the arrangement found in the world's most extreme race cars. The pedal box and steering column are adjusted to fit the individual driver instead. This layout allowed the W16 powertrain to be positioned 60 millimeters further forward compared to the Chiron, ensuring ideal weight distribution for track use. The steering wheel is an open-top yoke wrapped in alcantara. Instead of an infotainment system, a small screen on the steering column displays vital data like tire temperatures and lap times. For the first time in Bugatti history, the Bolide features ABS and ESP, technologies usually not available in pure track cars. These systems allow the driver to precisely configure the level of electronic assistance depending on tire wear and track conditions. Now, let's talk about the heart of the beast. At the center of the Bolide sits an 8.0-liter W16 with 4 turbochargers. While the concept version produced over 1,825 horsepower, the production version delivers a massive 1,600 horsepower and 1,600 newton-meters of torque. There is no sound insulation in the cabin by design. Bugatti expects owners to use racing helmets with integrated communication systems to speak with their pit crew. Despite stripping away almost every luxury, Bugatti kept one important system: air conditioning, power steering, and ergonomically designed seats ensure the driver remains focused during intense track sessions. The climate system channels airflow through 4 symmetrically arranged ducts with aluminum nozzles, an aesthetic nod to the Bolide's exterior design language. Safety in the Bolide is engineered to a standard that exceeds most track cars. The carbon fiber monocoque, developed in collaboration with Dallara, meets FIA requirements for the LMH and LMDH categories, the same standards applied to Le Mans race cars. During rollover testing, a 12-ton load was applied to the B-pillar, and the monocoque passed without a single crack. The Bolide's curb weight is a mere 1,240 kilograms. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.2 seconds, hits 200 kilometers per hour in 4.4 seconds, and reaches 300 kilometers per hour in just 7.4 seconds. Computer simulations suggest the Bolide could lap the Nürburgring in a mind-blowing 5 minutes and 23.1 seconds. Only 40 units will be built, with the first examples delivered to customers in 2024. Bugatti has confirmed that the Bolide will be the last car the company ever builds with the legendary W16 engine. So the question is straightforward. Would you choose a leather interior with massaging seats and a premium sound system? Or a Le Mans certified carbon monocoque with 1,600 horsepower screaming behind your back? Leave your answer in the comments and subscribe if you want to see how the Bolide compares to other track hypercars by their actual technical specifications.